Fundamental reasons the United States is so overridden with sickness and illness is because we don't do parasitic cleanses. That is my firm belief. There is a host of things. Just for example, if your kid has an itchy bum, that's pinworms. That's pinworms, okay? In my country, they do parasitic cleanses every 6 months, and you're actually looked on as strange if you don't do these things. So they also control what we eat. Okay, our cravings are controlled by parasites in our body. The other thing that I could talk about this for a whole year, but one of the things, bloated, gas, digestive problems, all these things are attributed to parasites in our body. Now, there's a whole lot of parasites, but I'm going to address this question. What do I recommend? Now, as you know, I don't recommend anything unless I know that it works 100%. I've tried a lot of parasitic cleanses. This is the one that I come back to over and over again. And there's a couple reasons for it. And let me put it on the back of my screen, and then we're going to talk about it. Okay, this is the one that I recommend by Zuma Nutrition. It's called Zuma Parasite Detox. Now, let's talk about why I prefer this one. Okay, a lot of parasitic cleanses will only get rid of the adults or the larvae. One thing that I like about this one, it cleanses different types of parasites in all stages, adult, larva, and egg stages. Remember, you don't want larvae or eggs to stay behind, because if you get rid of the adults, you will still be infested. So this one in particular gets rid of all 3 stages. It supports your gut health and cleansing of the intestines, which is super important. You want to get your intestines cleaned out. You don't want these parasites dying off in your body and then still remaining in your body. So this helps to clean out your intestines. It is water soluble liquid, better absorption than capsules or powders. I know some people, you know how I talk incessantly out here about why we are a tincture household. Liquids absorb better and faster, meaning they work quicker. Fresh, not dried. It's wild harvested raw ingredients from Idaho. So again, we talk incessantly about wild harvest. Why wild harvest is so much potent than organic or homegrown. And then it's manufactured in small curated batches. Now, this is the one I recommend. It's $49.95, but I recommend this, but I actually recommend buying 2 things together to do your parasitic detox. And I recommend to take it with the fulvic acid and trace ocean minerals. And the reason being, when you're doing a parasitic detox, and you're eliminating the parasites, what happens is you get die-off symptoms. And what die-off symptoms means is it's simply the parasites are dying inside your body. They're giving off poison chemicals, and poisons, you know, when something dies, it decays. So if you don't take it with the fulvic acid, and you just take the cleanse, which you can do, but your die-off symptoms will be really, really bad. You'll have fatigue, bloating, headache. Dying parasites also release toxins and a lot of heavy metals. Fulvic acid binds these things and helps remove them out of your